Hello and welcome. Last time we looked at subnet mask. Here we'll have a look at GNS3 and Cisco IOS. GNS3 is a network simulator and allows for the creation of complex networks, which can be transferred to a live system. It is similar to Packet Tracer, which is Cisco proprietary. Packet Tracer, however, is a network emulator, and the iOS version is cut down for labs. GNS3 uses a real Cisco IOS image in a virtual machine, Dynamaps. Both can be used to create a network and show operation of the network before transferring to real hardware. Which program you use is up to you. The advantage of using GNS3 is that you are using a real image, so the commands entered are exactly the same. Some commands might need to be edited if going with Packet Tracer, and that is free. You don't need to be on a Cisco course to get this software. For these tutorials, I'll be using a 3725 router, so let's add that to a worktop. So now that we have the router, we need to turn it on. So we can do this in two ways. We can right click and go down to start, or we can click this button here and this will start or resume all devices. So hit that. So now that it's running, we need to connect to it. So we can do that again in two ways. Right click, console, or up here, and then console connect to all devices. This will give us a bloody window. Now that the router is ready, you'll notice that there's things like line protocol interface, fast Ethernet 00 change state to down. That's because of all interfaces on the router are down by default. This is contrary to a switch, where it's assumed that the defaults are fine, and so all ports are open. So normally when you start the router, you'll need to press enter, and then you'll be placed into user exec mode. So I'll type disable here. So user exec mode looks like this. So now if I type enable, we'll get to privileged exec mode. And this puts us in here by default. So now we need to bring up help. Now to do that, you type question mark. So the question mark can be placed as anything on the line, as is just there, after a letter, or after a word. A word is separated by a space. So I want to configure the router, so type con. So now we know that there's configure and connect. So we can just type F space and then question mark. So this will tell us everything after the word configure. So we have confirm, memory, network, overwrite network, replace, and terminal. We want the terminal, so we'll just type T here and then reset. So now we're in the configure terminal, which is the global configuration mode. And that's denoted by the fact that there's config in parentheses. From here, we can configure pretty much anything on the router. So we'll look further into this next time. Have a play with help to see what other commands are available, especially in the different user modes. So next time, we'll be doing basic router setup. So hopefully, this has been helpful.